Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. All jokes aside, I hope everyone is doing well during their quarantine. I know these are tough times, but in order to cope, I'm enjoying this nice day out. This is my dog, Copper. You're so cute. Since the passing of the Marriage Equality Act, many LGBT couples have felt more secure in terms of forming families. However, as a society, we have slowly begun to fall back into a more conservative mindset. With the number of children in the foster care system, do you think it's fair to have religious exemption laws allowing adoption agencies to discriminate against LGBT prospective parents?
And I find that any sort of discrimination of any kind, whether it's race, religion, or something like that, it's not in my moral compass, nor should it be acceptable.
I don't think that it's fair to have religious exemption laws or discriminate against LGBTQ prospective parents.
I think it is 100% not fair for there to be discrimination against LGBTQ adoptive parents or like parents wanting to adopt children. I find it very heartbreaking that it even could be. I do not support that whatsoever.
That any child, regardless of LGBTQ plus background or anything, should have the right to be adopted and shouldn't be discriminated against, because the Constitution, it says all men and women are created equal. So that's
Some LGBT couples wish to use assisted reproductive technology to have their own children. Even so, some clinicians wish to refuse service to them due to religious or personal beliefs. Are their beliefs a justifiable reason to refuse service?
I do not believe that religion is a good way to discriminate against anyone, because religion is supposed to tolerate freedom and people.
Their beliefs are not a justifiable reason to refuse service.
It depends on the person. Depends on who you are servicing. You know what I'm saying? It's a flexible thing.
I believe that everyone is allowed to have their own opinions on things. However, this is something that I would not agree with. I think if you have a problem doing a certain thing with your job, though you 100% can, and that's what your job is for, don't go into that field regardless of your religious beliefs or personal beliefs, because people can have different beliefs, but you shouldn't be able to refuse service to them just because of their sexuality.
Do you believe there can be laws that protect both religious and LGBT communities while focusing on the best interest of the children in foster care and those who wish to have biological children?
I do think that there should be a law, but I also believe that human decency should come back, because apparently we've forgotten about that. You know, treating people with the respect.
I think laws could be made to protect both LGBTQ communities and religious beliefs, I guess.
Definitely believe that there can be laws that protect both religious and LGBTQ communities. There should be, in fact.
I do believe there are laws that could protect discrimination from happening and that can make both sides of the argument happy. I just feel like both sides need to have a good
I'm not sure what kind, but I think that could definitely work, and it would benefit many people and foster children who would, obviously want to be adopted and have a home and a family.
The world in politics today regarding the community, regarding all this that is happening. It's why it's so messed up, and so I think the thing that we need to bring back is basic human decency.